Oh my god, I cannot believe I'm doing this right now. This is insane. It's fine, it's gonna be fine. Today I'm starting the build process. Oh my god! In a way, this build feels like redemption. Oh my god. Hey, come here. Hey, good morning. Come here. Hi. Hi, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning from Monterey. I'm still having a hard time wrapping my mind around the fact that I was on the other side of the country last week. Yeah, so much has been happening behind the scenes between planning the build, getting ready to leave, trying to figure out the logistics of how the heck we're gonna live in this thing before it's built out. It's been a lot, but a lot in a good way. Anyways, as much as I love being back in my hometown and as much as I love living with my parents, I think it's definitely time for us to get our butts back on the road. But in order to do that, I have to take care of one very daunting task, and that task addresses the question that it feels like everybody and their mother has been asking ever since I brought up this whole box truck thing. I have to take all of this out. Pretty much every other day that I've been staying with my parents, my dad has been asking me, where the heck I think I'm gonna be doing this build? And I've kind of just been replying, well, I don't know. He's been replying to that in a way that makes me think that he thinks that I'm lying or that I'm just being like secretive, like maybe I have a secret warehouse or a builder up my sleeve. And I think what I keep replying back to him, which is, I don't know, I'm just figuring it out as I'm going, has him a little bit stressed out, but I mean it. I have no plans. I have no idea where I'm gonna do this build, and I am just figuring it out step by step. No warehouse, no builder, but for this first step, I decided to come to the first place that I could think of, Home Depot. Will I be doing my entire build in a Home Depot parking lot? Perhaps. Okay, step one, take the seat out. I think it's simple. Today was one of the longest days of my life. And I hate to say it, but it was not awful. I don't hate to say it, I love to say it. I finished the cutout, so there's definitely a hole tomorrow I'm going to be adding some metal pieces and a gasket. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain anything. Yesterday, I learned the difference between screws and bolts, and tonight I'm gonna be Googling the difference between a drill and a driver. But I will say that I think I can do this. I really think that I can, and that's wild. This build is like night and day from my first fan build. I feel like if I started describing the 20-year-old Mariah, people would be like, you're lying. There's no way you didn't know anything. There's no way you just let everybody else around you take over your build. In a way, this build feels like redemption. Anyways, I'm gonna go take the hottest bath ever. I'm gonna cuddle Finn, and then I will be back in the morning for round... Actually, I'm really excited for tomorrow. Tomorrow is all the fun stuff. God, life is good. Oh my god. I miss my friends. I'll see them soon. I'm leaving home soon. That's what this signifies. It's the thing that I needed to do before I could leave home, because for safety reasons, I didn't want to be leaving this door unlocked or open or whatever. So, anyways, good night. Good morning. I'm definitely simultaneously super excited and super nervous about today. From all the videos that I've watched, it seems like I'm down to the easy part, or like the satisfying part of this process. But everything that I know about van builds, it's usually the things that seem easy that end up taking like the most time. So we'll see. Everything that I did yesterday took 12 hours. So I don't know. Off to Home Depot I go. Just kidding. I think I'm gonna go start at the beach. I love this truck. Hello, hi. Everything is done except for the boot. So it's looking really good, actually. Like, I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself. I didn't half-ass it. I didn't do it the easy way. There are a couple of different people who I saw do this, and some people did it in like a quicker, faster, easier way. But I chose the hard way because it just seemed a lot more stable and sturdy and resistant to water, and I'm really glad that I did. I'm almost done. We're so close. Just gonna go all the way. Okay. Hey, Finn. Hello. All right, Phineas, come here. Hello. Hello, hello. You wanna make some dinner? Okay. I didn't bring milk, or a bowl, or a spoon. Be right back. Life feels so weird right now. A month ago, I flew back to my hometown to see if I wanted to go back to college and quit the van life. A month ago. I'm really glad that I didn't quit for a lot of different reasons, but I feel like right now I have this opportunity to like build the life that I want to live. Like physically build and create the life that I want to live. Instead of living in other people's worlds, instead of going to school, getting a job, working for somebody else, I have this opportunity to work for myself and to create my dream life. And that's like a once in a lifetime, maybe, opportunity. And I'm just really, really glad that I wasn't even thinking about that, to be honest. I was just spicy water. This was a really weird dinner.